Kampung Vlog, this is the L1. And here I'm getting along. I just buy what I need today for my cooking. I need to go home right away. We prefer to stay at home to be safe than outside. Because it's, we are on red alert this time because of what happened. Arab country. Nothing in our country. If it's not important, no need to go out of the house. It's better to stay at home. Because last night, early morning, a while ago, how many times the missile bomb blew up? 3 times I received an emergency warning from the government. It's better to stay at home than stay outside. Dangerous to stay outside anyway. Just come here to buy what I need to cook today. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like. Leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.